Can you imagine what is going on in the heart of Charlie Kirk's wife? Charlie Kirk's wife. The husband just returned from Japan. A big convention was Japan. And then when they returned from Japan, the first event, he was shot in the neck and died. Blasted. They shot the guy through here. Boom! And one shot. Neyire sabre edian wonye. Oh, I work as nipa no won the team ni mu bia na kotam to no dia bone kon no ekon. And you maybe on my ya ma wan hunu ni so asasi so a ebe haw. You what tribulation what me de wakoma ma wo bia ma start life for kama. You dey am to be say nyame bone ya we ye ni so ohira mo ana. Yambono minimum microphobia ifri me krumu a nyame peja woman nyom to full powerful ministry. Omo ba na car tie kra wo mu ni bi. Uvra wo mu fi a say yes. And then you see the cars packed. And then okuno no a pound so ye a map. Nikunu no nyem 4 mates 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you mweni apacho ni yede ne ko nyi mweni akopacho esrem why enti monyi we kakra na mo fan wi abofra ne de damase na ono a wanyem no osi baabi na ye pacho. Me, I'm not talking about a story somewhere. I'm telling you real story I am part of. Yeah. Or Jim Michael, we couldn't make it or Jim Michael. Now we'll preach a Kofi Oduro a small boy. Don't be deceived by gift. Oh no, don't be deceived by gift. Me timashem come up born and nedim baby a see na cancer and omni a dear. But you know, and near maybe or nomina sama winyamia samo choir manante timia. Na men ye mua. Sani money be good gift and any more say. Oh. As I close. Yeah? Tribulation. Me say, sister need to me bisa say. Ana yensan koye dade mu. Because me kuru de na obaby ahunye na kono. Now that he is driving a Bentley, a Range Rover, a Mercedes. Me say, enye ni kunu na be kope ma o. E man wa na di o mu engine ebeba. Your friendly tribulation.